I'm so excited. I am still in awe. I literally generated over $200,000 as a writer through trial and error, and you can do it too. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. It's Coco Wade, and I am here to inspire you and encourage you to succeed and get money. Listen, today I want to talk about a subject specifically that touches home. It is my own testament of how I have generated over $200,000 as a writer through trial and error. Yeah, so we all know everyone falls down, but it's getting back up and learning how to walk. That is what gets you to your destination. That is what allows you to achieve your goals. And I want to encourage you again today to make sure you understand the process in being an entrepreneur and sustaining, more or less succeeding in this business. So one of the things I want to share with you, it was a moment, it was a deciding point for me when I was rejected in a specific scenario. And I don't want to go in details about it, but what I can tell you is it was a learning experience, and it was one of the best things that could have ever happened to me in my career. And as a business owner, I had to learn to make my own way in a particular need that was met at some point just through trial and error. You have to know how to make it work for you and to your benefit. And that is all I'm saying. Lo and behold, the publication that I started through trial and error did create a spinoff of something else, which was an opportunity for me to help individuals one by one, hands-on, and giving them the knowledge that they needed as a coach. And so I never knew that my audience, my network, my supporters, my followers would turn around and ask me to further assist in providing a whole other service, a whole other product. It opened up a whirlwind of opportunities for me and my people. And I am so grateful that I listened to my intuition. I'm so grateful I gave it a fighting chance. And I want to, again, encourage you to do the same thing. There is only one way to succeed and get money. You have to want to do it deep down inside. You are going to have to want it. And I know you have it in you. I want to see you win. I found myself starting my own publication as a result of mere rejection. And it was a very educating experience for me. It was very rewarding. I wouldn't change a thing. Again, I've generated over $200,000 just through trial and error, stumbling on the opportunity and being challenged to create my own lane. So I had made a promise to do publicity. I'd made a promise that I wanted to deliver on. And unfortunately, the outlet wasn't there for me any longer. And when it wasn't, I had to make it myself. And again, I learned so much along the way. Research, tons of information gathered collectively is what allowed me to compile this amazing venture. Here I am 100 issues later, 10 years later, and still publishing, and it is such a joy. I'm editor-in-chief. I'm the writer. I have contributing writers, the content, the designers. This is all team effort, and I couldn't have done it without my team. But I had to start it on my own before I could grow a team. And I just want to continue to enlighten you all. So let me share some tips that I have for you. Number one, rejection. Use it as a force, and make sure that you understand with growing comes challenges. The secret lies really in the failures. You have to take it and run with it. You have to understand that every success did eventually deem a failure, and you learning from that is how you build your brand. It's really how you build your strength as a business owner and as a startup. So use those opportunities to grow and learn and become wiser, more polished, and definitely more skilled at what you do. And then because of that, now I am a ghostwriter. I've taken on ghostwriting projects that have been very phenomenal and again rewarding. I am constantly publishing, I am writing, and I am editing as the editor-in-chief of my own publication. I'm just doing a lot that I wouldn't have done had I not been rejected, had I not failed at one thing in order to start something else. It has elevated me to a degree where I can't even begin to explain. Now, if you're someone that has started a business recently, or you're thinking about starting a business, or maybe you're already in business and you want to know how to enhance your current existing business, or maybe you want to enhance your current existing business, or maybe you want to enhance your existing business. So I have some tips for you in terms of getting that done. If you want to start your business, first and foremost, just start the business. Do a little bit of research, you guys. You can go online and do research. You can actually buy into courses and get digital content. You can just start through trial and error, do some test phases, and that's how you're going to understand more about what you want to do. And that's how you're going to understand more about what you want to do and where you want to be, and also how you're going to make that happen. Now, if you're particularly interested in becoming a writer or a publisher or even starting your own magazine, I actually am going to be hosting a course, and in the course we're going to talk about publishing, everything you need to know about publishing your own digital products. I'm going to share with you how I got started, how I've created passive streams of income, how I've actually generated multiple sources of income through my publication and through my writing. So as I mentioned, ghostwriting, that's a whole other industry. I'm going to touch on that in detail about it in this course. If you want to just publish and blog, or if you want to print your magazine, if you want to publish any other type articles, if you want to write for individuals as a ghostwriter, if you want to write your own book or any sort of content that you want to gather and share your experience, your knowledge, and your skill set, I can help you to learn how to do that and monopolize on it. Because there's one thing to write, there's a whole other thing to create income and get it going consistently. So my goal is to help you make money out the gate, because we're all about helping you to succeed and get money. You guys, I hope this has been informational for you. I hope that it's been something rewarding enough for you to want to continue on your journey and be encouraged. If you like this content and want more of it, please make sure you guys click like and subscribe to my channel. Of course, set your notifications for more videos as they release. That way you won't miss a thing. A whole lot of great content coming, everyone. And also make sure that you are checking us out. Follow us on Instagram at Succeed and Get Money. Join our group. That's the best way to stay in the know. We're going to develop this community, and I want you a part of it. And we're going to learn and grow together, and we are going to do what? Succeed and get money. And like we always say, entrepreneurs, plant the seed and get growing. Be sure to click the link in the description to learn how to publish your own digital products and make money out the gate. Thank you for watching. Hit the like and subscribe button and set your notifications for next time. And until then, my friends, be sure to succeed and get money.